Students, today we will see what is square root and how we can find square root of any number. As we know student, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and we know inverse operation of positive is negative and inverse operation of this negative is positive. Similarly, inverse operation of multiplication is divide and inverse operation of divide is your multiplication. Similarly, square root is the inverse operation of square. As you can see in this diagram student, square of 2 is your 4. So, square root of this 4 will be your 2. It means square is the inverse operation of square root and square root is the inverse operation of square. Once again, see this example. As we know, square of 2 is your 4. So, square root of 4 will be 2. And square of 3 is 9. So, square root of 9 will be 3. Square of 4 is 16. So, square root of this 16 will be 4. So, student, square root and square are the inverse operations. Students, as we know, square of 2 can be written as 2 into 2 and 2 2s are we will get 4. And if you want to find the square of minus 2, then what we can write? Minus 2 into minus 2, and when we multiply this, what we will get? Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. It means in both the cases we will get the same answer, 4. So we say that square root of 4 are 2 and minus 2. So what we can say that there are two integral square roots of a perfect square number. It means when you find square root of any number, you will get two integral square roots. But in this chapter, we shall take up only positive square root of a natural number. Students, this is the symbol of square root. For example, as we know, 3 square equals to 9. So, square root of 9 will be 3. Another example, 5 square equal 25. So, square root of 25 is your 5. So, square and square root are the inverse operations. Let's see how we can find square root of any number through repeated subtraction. Let's take one example. Suppose we have to find the square root of 49. So, we will use the same process which we already used in previous exercise. We will subtract consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. First step will be, first we will subtract 1 from this 49. What we will get? We will get 48. Second step, now from this 48, we will subtract next odd number. After 1, which odd number will come? Yes, 3. And subtraction of this 48 minus 3 will be 45. Third step, 45 minus, after 3, which odd number will come? 5. What we will get? 40. Fourth step, 40 minus, now we will take 7. 40 minus 7, we will get 33. Okay. Next step, fifth step will be 33 minus of 9. Subtraction of this 33 minus 9. 24. Then 24 minus, after 9, next odd number will be your 11, and 24 minus 11 we will get 13. And in 7th step, now 13 minus, after 11 which odd number will come? 13, which is equals to 0. Okay student, as you can see in 7th step, your remainder is 0. So square root of 49 will be your 7. This is your repeated subtraction method. Let's take one more example. Now we will find the square root of 100 by using repeated subtraction method. First step, 100 minus 1, we will get 99. Second step, 99 minus 3, what we will get? Yes, 96. Then 96 minus 5, we will get 91. Then fourth step, 91 minus 7, 84. Next step, fifth step. Let's see what will be the fifth step. 84 minus of 9 equals to 75. Then 75 minus 11, we will get 64. Seventh step, 64 minus 13, we will get 51. And then 51 minus 15, we will get 36. Ninth step, 36 minus 17, we will get 19. And last step, 19 minus 19, yes, our subtraction will be 0. So in which step we are getting 0? In 10th step we are getting 0. So square root of 100 will be 10. Question number 1 of exercise 6.3 is, what could be the possible ones digit of square root of the following numbers? And first number is your 9801, 9801. Once again read the question. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of the following? It means if we find the square root of this 9801, so what will be the possible ones digit of that square root number? As we know student, when we multiply 1 2 times, it means square of 1 is 1 and square of 9 is 81. In both the cases, in unit place we will get 1. So what will be the possible ones digit of the square root? Yes, ones digit in the square root of 9801 may be 1 or 9. So how we can write this? Square root of ones digit in the square root of 9801 may be 1 or 9. Okay student? And your second number is 99856, 99,856. And as you can see in this number, your last digit is 6. So when we will get 6, when we square of any number, yes, we know 4 square equal, we will get 16, unit digit 6. And when we multiply 6 2 times, then also we will get unit place as 6, that is your 36. So ones digit in the square root of this 99,856 may be 4 or 6. May be 4 or 6. Similarly, you can simplify third and fourth also. Question number 2 of this exercise is, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. Once again read question student. Without doing any calculation, we have to find that from these all 4 numbers which are surely not perfect squares. Student, as we learned earlier, the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect square. Same concept we will apply for solving this question. As you can see here, in this 153, your ending digit is 3. So this number will not be a perfect square number. Okay, look at this second question, 257. Here your ending digit is 7. According to this statement, 257 is also not a perfect square number. Okay, this both the numbers are not a perfect square number. Look at this third number, 408. As you can see here, the ending digit is your 8. It means this number is also not a perfect square number. Look at this 441. In this number, your ending digit is 1. So, 441 is a perfect square number, because in this number ending digit is not 2, not 3, not 7 and not 8. Here the ending digit is your 1. So this number will be a perfect square number.